Now also, great little system in here. If we go on to music and click play on that record, at the bottom there you see a red triangle with 3 red circles. If you just click on there to show you it's iPhone and Vauxhall Intelli. If for any reason Vauxhall Intelli is not ticked, just touch it, and then if we go on here and we go to source, there you see it's playing through there. If it's not, there's a source button in the left hand side bottom corner, so you can choose between AM, FM, DAB, USB, US and Bluetooth there. You just go there. So AM onto source, click Bluetooth, that's it. Also you've got menu. It does need setting up in here. It's all playing out that right speaker, so it just needs adjusting. But that's it. That's how you do it.